Chapter 11. Push and Pull. Read on. You do different kinds of activities during the day. Some involve pushing, while some involve pulling. In a game of tug of war, both the teams try to pull the rope towards their side. In a game of wrestling, the opponents push each other. Whenever you push or pull objects, they may move. Force is a push or a pull. What can force do? The different things force can do are called the effects of force. The effects of force are given below. A force can make a stationary object move. You kick a stationary football and it moves. A force can stop a moving object. You stop a moving football by applying force with your foot. A force can change the direction of a moving object. When a bowler throws a ball towards you, you hit it with your bat and change the direction of the ball. A force can change the shape of an object. You can change the shape of a toothpaste tube by applying force on it with your fingers. A force can make an object move faster. You can increase the speed of a moving bicycle by pushing it in the direction in which it is moving. A force can slow down a fast-moving object. You can slow down the speed of a moving object by applying force in the direction opposite to which it is moving. Kinds of forces. Muscular force. When you use your muscles to push or pull things, walk, run, cycle, and so on, it is called a muscular force. Gravitational force. The force exerted by the earth that attracts all objects towards itself is called gravitational force. You must have noticed that anything like a ball that you throw up always falls down on the earth. This is due to the earth's gravity. The earth's gravitational force keeps us on its surface. If there was no gravity, we would be floating in the air. Frictional force. The force that resists motion is called frictional force. When you roll a ball on the floor, it stops after moving a short distance. This is due to the force of friction. For frictional force to act, two bodies have to be in contact. Frictional force is more on rough surfaces than on smooth surfaces. Magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet on iron objects is called magnetic force. It is a force that acts from a distance. Quick recall. Force is a push or a pull. Force shows many effects. It can start or stop a movement. It can change the shape and direction, etc. The force exerted by the muscles to pull or push things is called muscular force. The force exerted by the earth to attract all objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Frictional force is a force that opposes motion. It tries to stop a moving object. Magnetic force is the force exerted by a magnet on iron objects. New words. Force, a push or a pull. Muscular force, the force exerted by the muscles. Frictional force, the force that opposes motion.